This is definitely giving sophisticated, and I absolutely love it. I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. This unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. And we are here to do a bob, okay? Look at this unit. Let me focus on that. This is what it is looking like straight out of the box. Okay, so this is their put on and go French bob. This one is with brown highlights. It also has soft barrel curls, and this one is about 14 inches. You can definitely go on the website and choose a shorter length if this is just not for you. This one also has a 13x4 parting space area. The lace is already pre-cut. They also pre-bleach those knots and pre-pluck the hairline. You do get some lace tape on the side if you choose to use it. 2 combs on the side, no comb in the middle. You'll have a comb in the nape area, a drawstring, and you also have an elastic band. This does seem to be a little bit light against my skin, so we're just going to go ahead and put some lace tint around the very front of the hairline so that it can blend in a little bit better. And then I will try this on for you guys before we do anything else. All right, so this is what it is looking like on. I did end up adjusting the elastic band, so that is on really good, but it is a little bit roomy in the nape area. If you are new here, I don't like to adjust the strap when it's already roomy because to me it bunches up and then it looks bulky, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. I ain't gonna hold you. Right up in this area, it is laying down very flat, so I'm thankful for that because I don't have to worry about it being too bunched up in this area because I hate that. I don't like that at all. I did put on a good amount of coats at the front of this hairline because I wanted it to blend down very well to my skin. You can still see it's a little bit lighter in some areas when I kind of turn, but once I add my product on, it is going to darken up and then it's going to blend in better to my skin. I think they did a good job with plucking out the hairline. Totally up to you if you want to go in and pluck out a little bit more. This is what that parting space is looking like. They already went ahead and curved it, but if you are not a fan of this, you can move it around to a middle part or you can come over here and move it to this side. Up to you, but it already comes as a left side part. As far as the ear area goes, this is a 13x4, so I'm probably going to have to just trim down a little bit so that it sits above my ear and you can see my ear kind of leaning a bit. I'm just going to make sure I adjust all of that after I get done cutting it. Some of these curls I am going to have to refresh, but I mean that's fine because this is straight out of the box or whatever. But loving this color, loving the blend. I love the dark root. It looks very, very good, and I like the bang. The bang, I already kind of pre-styled it for you. So enough of that talking. Let's get into styling this unit, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can hear my final thoughts and see the final look when it comes to this unit. Giving sophisticated, and I absolutely love it. Okay, my little curl is going every which way, but we're not here for all that. We're here to talk about just the unit as a whole. Now, to install this unit today, I use a little bit of my Got to Be spray. I also cut off on the side so that the lace can sit above my ear. And you also did see me go in and just pluck out a very small amount of hair. Not too much. It does come pre-plucked. Keep it the way that it comes because I think it looks fine, especially for a beginner. But I'm a little bit extra and I want to show that scalp a little bit more. This is what it came out looking like. I didn't go too deep on the side, so I just focused right in this area. After I put my adhesive spray, I did go ahead and add a little bit of my mousse because the mousse does help to give you the melted look even more. And you can see that the tint spray and the mousse and the adhesive all work together because it's laying down. Okay, it looks very, very good. I did not have to put any powder into the parting space area, nor did I put anything extra into the front of the hairline. Once I did that, I added a little bit of wax at the top, and I might be moving backwards on some steps. I add a little bit of wax at the top. I also did recurl a few pieces. This does already come pre-curl, but because mine was sitting in the box for a little bit, I did have to go and refresh it, and I just used my flat iron because I do not know how to use a curling iron. Now, the curls out the package had a bigger barrel curl look. I ended up having maybe a little bit tighter look on the sides. I tried to recreate, but sometimes that is hard to do, especially if you are not a curler like me. I still feel like it gave what it needed to give. Like I stated, it does come as a left side part, and honestly, you can move your parting space a little bit farther over. Not like it right here. You do have that room to move it over a bit, and you can always move it to the right or the middle. I decided to keep it like it was straight out of the box so you could see exactly what it would look like if you wanted to style it just like me. And the hair on this is a silky texture. It's very nice. I love the density on this unit. I did end up trimming down just a little bit, so if you want it exactly how I had it trimmed, then you might want to order a shorter length. But y'all, I really don't have anything negative to say about this unit. I love the length. The color blend, perfect. I have no issues with the color blend. When I turned around, it looks so good. And like I stated, because of the density, it just makes it look really full and it just looks really good. Now, I did pin this hair up too because I want to give y'all another option without moving it to the middle, because you know I always do that. I am a big fan of claw clips and getting that hair up off your neck when it becomes too much, and I always like to see what a unit is going to look like. And to me, putting the hair up when it's this length just makes it even more of a classier look. And of course, you can always go in and curl this unit different ways. You can put in some rods. You can just take a spiral curler or a wand curler, and it's going to give you different looks. Or you can just flat iron the unit if you choose to. But I like it wavy because I like the volume on it. And the claw clip is perfect. Okay. Now, I didn't turn around to show y'all the back because back ain't none of my business. Okay. It might be sticking up a little bit. And I have it pinned up kind of far, so my band might be showing some. But you get the picture, right? You get the picture. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a very small amount of shedding, not too much. More so after I kind of trim those areas. I'm trying to fix this, sorry y'all. And then as far as tangles go, I'm not really getting any at the moment, but in the heat, expect some in the nape or towards the ends. I also did put some Sleek and Shine serum throughout this hair to help with frizziness and flyaways, especially because this is pre-colored and that does tend to happen. But in my opinion, it's very soft. I did not notice a lot of frizziness, and I also did not notice a lot of flyaways. So what y'all think about this unit? I am feeling this, okay? I wish the cap was a little bit smaller in the nape area, but the way that that lace is laying down and the way that it looks, it gets 2 thumbs up for me. And like I said, I love the style overall. If you are interested in this unit, I am going to make sure to leave the links down below once again. Let me know your thoughts. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you